Welcome to Tiny Time Video. This is our Life on Purpose playlist where we talk about how we're putting up our camper on a permanent site. The block project, blocking up underneath the camper, was a great thing to do. I mean, it just made a big difference in the stability of the camper. And our next project is putting in a hard pipe sewer. The hard pipe sewer project was also very complementary to the underpinning project, so make sure you check out both of those videos. And our camper had two, release valves, one from the kitchen area and one from the bathroom. And so we had to do two connections to the hard pipe sewer to the camper. And just check out our video to see how this project ended up turning out. A little bit later, like I said, the next two videos deal with how we put together the underpinning, and then there will be a project update video to show you how we finished off some of these projects. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. It's Tiny Time with M&M. Let's talk about hard pipe sewer.
They all come with these little nibs on them that are designed to work with these hooks and the normal RV hose, sewer hose. So for when I'm doing a solid pipe hookup, I cut those off and sand them down flat, and then use a rubber boot as the connector. Attached to this boot, and that would be the beginning of the sewer system. So here we've got to build up a support right here. So this is a fitting, and this is where we want to support it at. I'm going to glue this piece straight in. Right here. It's so easy to get confused. And you don't always, in my opinion, in my experience with my dad for a lot of years, you don't always have to use cleaner on PVC. If the pipe's pretty clean to start with, not such a big deal. So make sure you get plenty of good pipe dope on all the way around and on the female side as well. always put in at a different angle, rub it all in, and roll it up to your spot where it goes. And you have to hold it for a few seconds. Twist your brush back in your cat, because you knock it over, it won't spill out. Alright. There's that set up. Doesn't have to be super tight, just good and snug to make a watertight seal. And we had this piece we had glued up. Just engage it in the hose, into the fitting. Make sure we're centered up with our block underneath the fitting. We'll put a strap on that later. And we'll tighten up the hose clamp. Just till you get some good resistance. And it's nice and tight, watertight. Now, a lot of people won't plumb this way. They'll put a straight T in here, or just a 90. And what I've done here is put a street 45 into a Y. And the reason for doing that is because you get, with a T, it comes out at a 90 and it has to turn 90 degrees to go in the pipe. With the Y, with the 45 and the 90, or excuse me, the 45 and the Y, you automatically get the water flowing in the right direction as it enters the pipe. It's a much better solution. It's a much better way to plumb. Okay.
So for our camper, it has a second sanitary drain, and when we were installing the pipe, you got to stay between an 1/8 and a 1/4 inch of foot of fall 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch per foot of pipe of fall. And in order to get that, instead of putting in the Y, I had to back up to a T. I don't prefer the T's, but that's what we had to do to make it work out right.
Please stay tuned for our next video where we talk about how to underpin your RV. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like. Thank you for your support. See you later.